Hey, so what is a trustee? A trustee is a person or entity, because they have trustee companies, that manages a trust estate for the benefit of the beneficiaries. What does that mean in layman's terms? That means you a loved one passed and they had a trust and they had you appointed as the person in charge, right? Now, this is similar to if you're the executor or personal representative of an estate as stated in the will, right? So I'm not an attorney, but I work with families in Essex County navigating the process. So this is how I know and this is how I'm familiar with the term. Now, this is not legal advice. I'm not a tax professional, but I do know that trustees have a legal responsibility to do what's best in the estate. So if you need more information or you need any attorney referrals, just contact me. But I just wanted to make this quick video so you can understand that one, the trustee is the one that's carrying out the wishes of the trust, right? And you have a legal responsibility to carry out those wishes in your best, in good faith, like to your best abilities. So if you guys got any value from this video, just go ahead, like, comment, subscribe.